Hi, in this video I would like to share information about human evolution and the purpose of our lives since the point of view of spiritual channelers, and I would like to share more about it because I studied and this is very interesting for me. And of course I have to say that maybe if you didn't hear before about it, you're going to say these are crazy ideas, or you're going to ask yourself, are you serious? Is that possible and things like that, but I have to say that it's true. So this is applying by quantum metaphysics and alternative medicine. We can say alternative therapies too. So first I have to say that our souls have a very specific goal, that is return with our divine fountain, or we can say God if you believe in it, and recover the true love. That's why we believe, and our soul decides all the experiences that are going to help her to develop conscious and to return home, we can say. So here, I have to say that we don't live just one life as we think. We live millions of lives, and we have the possibility to live on other planets before coming here on Earth, and we have the possibility to of being part from other races before being part of human. So there's a process in which you're living a life and dying, living, dying, living, dying. And when you come here on Earth, we can say that we are animals first, and after, when we start in develop conscious, we are people. So Earth is very important to develop conscious because here is the only one planet that teaches a lot, because here on Earth we experiment duality, and duality means positive and negative. Um, I mean, we as people have the light and the shadow because we call them like that, um, inside. So we can say that a person is good, is perfect. She don't make mistakes. She's good. She's not a bad person. We can say that because all of us have inside the light and shadow. So we are here to get experiences that help us to, I can say, clean that shadow and accept it, because we we can't avoid it. That's not correct if you say, no, no, I'm perfect, I don't have mistakes, and I'm okay. So we are here because we have to accept that negative part in ourselves and say, okay, yes, I get it, and I'm going to change it, I'm going to transform it, and things like that. So here, of course, we have the possibility to know people again that that we know before. I mean, sometimes you look at a person and say, I feel like if I met you, but I don't know. Or it's the same with the places that you get in a place and you say, this is familiar for me, but I don't remember why, or things like that. So spiritual channelers say that we have the possibility to of being remember um, some some experiences about our last life. But the problem here is that they don't recommend it, because if you're investigating, if you don't have the conscious to understand all this process, you can get some conflicts. I mean, for example, if you realize that in other life you killed, you're going to be like, but I know that in other life I kill a person, I did this and that was not correct and things like that. And other example is maybe if you got married in other life and you say I got married with her or I got married with him and it's like no, but I remember, yeah, things like that. So it's complicated to understand. You have to live a process. You have to to learn more before doing that. So these spiritual channels help you in all this process, help you to guide you in this life, to identify your mission and things like that. So that's great. And they tell us and teach us that we have as humans have the possibility of develop in these these skills. We can say this sixth sense, we can call them, because we all have them, but we don't know how to develop them. And there are some techniques as meditation, because with meditation you can do it. Whether it's about um, eat healthy, because it's very important to drink water, to to eat vegetables, fruits, more natural food. They need, and of course they recommend don't eat animals because as we said in the other video, we call them younger brothers. So we have to respect them, and if we remember that we were animals first, it's going to be like, oh, I can't do it anymore. So these are some teachings about studying quantum. Um, I recommend you a book that is called here in Spanish um, as El Ser Uno. And in this book, they they teach us how to get some connection with other races that don't live here on planet or on our planet. So it's very controversial too. But some science are supporting all this information. So we we can say all this is true.